Welcome to the overview of our services tailored for welding equipment factory businesses. We are dedicated to delivering excellence in manufacturing. Our primary goal is to ensure your production processes achieve the highest standards of efficiency and quality. We guarantee stable and excellent welding quality in all equipment produced. Our machines are built for precision and durability. Achieving high-quality welds is non-negotiable. Our equipment, including specialized jigs and advanced welding techniques like those used in DC inverter welding and gas-shielded arc welding, ensures superior and consistent results 4-5. Our comprehensive performance metrics, based on reliable technology 3, demonstrate the long-term effectiveness and low-maintenance needs of our equipment. We believe that superior quality shouldn't break the bank. Our services offer a high cost-performance ratio, maximizing your investment. 1. We are committed to offering quality products at affordable prices, ensuring you can maintain a competitive edge in your market. Our value proposition for factory businesses focuses on optimizing production and reducing operational costs, translating directly into increased profitability. 2. Expand your product line with ease through our original equipment manufacturer, OEM, and original design manufacturer, ODM services. 1. We provide extensive customization and branding options to ensure the final product perfectly aligns with your market requirements and brand identity. Our partnership process is collaborative and efficient, from initial concept to final development and delivery, ensuring seamless integration into your business. Partner with us for manufacturing success, benefiting from stable quality, high-cost performance, and flexible OEM/ODM services.